In this tutorial, we will see that how you can see deleted messages on WhatsApp. So let's dive right in. So here, if I open this WhatsApp, you can see here, it's showing me these sum of deleted messages. Now, to read it, click back. Then you will be on this menu. From here, you have to click on these three dots that's showing right upper side and open up settings from here. Here you'll find this chats option. You need to open it, then scroll it down. Here, you'll find this chat backup option. You need to open it. After opening this, click on this Google account and select your Google account. After selecting it, it will show here to allow permissions. You can scroll it down and allow it if you want. After allowing this, click on this backup and it will start backing up your messages. Then simply close it and open up your phone settings. From here, you will find this apps and notifications. Open it and you will find here this notification button. Tap on that, then open this notification history. You need to make sure that this option is turned on. After turning this on, you will find here your all notification history. If you scroll it down, you can see here WhatsApp. So if you open up this WhatsApp, it will show you your all deleted messages. Because once someone sent a message, firstly it will show in notifications. So after turning on this notification history button, you will be able to see or read messages from this notification history even if they delete it. This was the second method. For the third method, you can open up your Play Store and search for WhatsApp history. Scroll it down, you will find here this sum of apps that will help you to see deleted messages. So here's the list of apps that's verified from Google App Store. You can install it only one app from here and it will help you to recover your deleted messages in just few easy steps. So these were the steps to see deleted messages on WhatsApp in just few easy steps.